7 Best Recipe Organizer Apps to Replace Your Cookbooks. How many times have you jotted down a recipe on a slip of paper, only to lose it when you actually need it? When your cookbook is stuffed with tons of sticky notes, loose leaf papers, and old family recipes, its disorganization can drive you nuts. Luckily, installing a recipe management app on your smartphone can easily solve this issue. Recipe managers can help you find, create, and store recipes. You can even save handwritten recipes without typing them in one by one. The following recipe management apps will make cooking less of a chore and make you want to do away with your cookbook altogether. Want to discover a new recipe? Hop on the Paprika app and use its built-in web browser to find recipes from the best cooking websites for beginners. Anyone can cook a delicious and healthy meal. These apps and sites make that easy for anyone, especially beginners and pros alike. When you spot a savory recipe, save it to the app with a simple tap. If you install Paprika on multiple devices, Paprika will sync all your data to your phone as well as your computer and tablet. In addition, you can edit your downloaded recipes and even interact with them while cooking. Cross off items as you go along. Highlight your current step. Add images, and even insert bold or italic text. Your phone screen won't dim when you have a recipe open in Paprika. So that means no more unlocking your device with greasy or wet fingers. Paprika doesn't just help out with recipes, it also gives you the tools to plan meals. Create organized shopping lists, start a timer, and convert measurements. As soon as you open the Big Oven app, you'll get inspired for your next meal. Click on recent raves and scroll through dozens of the hottest mouth-watering recipes. When you're looking for something specific, type the meal in the search bar and browse over 350,000 recipes made by home cooks. Remember when we mentioned that some apps allow you to import handwritten recipes without typing them in? Use Big Oven's recipe scanner to take pictures of a family recipe and have it instantly recreated in the app. Big Oven makes cooking social. You can opt to follow friends, family, and other cooks that use the app. That way, you can see what they're cooking and get some ideas. Big Oven also helps you create meals out of leftover ingredients, coordinate your shopping lists with other family members, and even plan meals. Yumly makes it easy to find a recipe that you'll love. It's both an app and a desktop website, making it even more convenient when you want to swap between your phone and your computer. After just a few searches, Yumly gets to know your taste and will start recommending recipes. If you suffer from a food allergy or have any special dietary requirements, Yumly can filter out recipes that contain ingredients you want to avoid. This is especially helpful if you've been looking for a vegetarian or vegan app. These Android and iPhone vegetarian and vegan apps let you find recipes, explore restaurants, and connect with others who share your plant-based diet. To help you plan your meals, search through over 2 million recipes tailored to your needs. When you favorite a recipe, you can jump right into making it now, or put it on your calendar for another day. To make Yumly even better, it now partners with Instacart. Choosing the store option on your top menu bar pulls up cooking-related supplies that Yumly can deliver right to your doorstep. If you're already familiar with the All Recipes website, then you'll love its app. All Recipes provides recipe suggestions that make you hungry just by looking at them. Favorite recipes and organize them into the folders of your choice. All Recipes is home to over 50,000 recipes that come with plenty of helpful reviews, videos, and pictures. When you're ready to start planning your meal, easily transfer the recipe's ingredients to your shopping list. Just like on the website, the All Recipes app helps you save money on food by showing any price markdowns at your local supermarket. ChefTap doesn't come with as many bells and whistles as Paprika or Big Oven, but it's still simple enough to use when you're in a rush. Unfortunately, you have to pay to manage your grocery lists, scale ingredients, or clone recipes, making it a little short on free features. Clipping is the best feature that comes with ChefTap, namely because it's free and convenient. ChefTap not only connects with your browser when you're looking for recipes online, But it comes with its own built-in browser as well. That means you can import online recipes to ChefTap in a matter of seconds. With the free version, you can still interact with your recipe while cooking, personalize your recipes, and gain inspiration from other chefs. My cookbook offers some of the same features as ChefTap, but it's free in limited quantities. Choose to add a recipe manually or import one from the internet. Like ChefTap, My Cookbook connects to your browser, allowing you to transfer recipes from a web page to the app. You can also create a shopping list almost instantaneously based off your ingredients. There's no need to write out a shopping list that you'll forget to bring with you to the store, which happens to me every time. My Cookbook's free meal planner even gives you the tools to create a menu for the entire week. Although AnyList is focused more on the grocery shopping aspect of cooking, it still comes in handy when organizing your recipes. Import online recipes right from your mobile browser. When the recipe appears in AnyList, the app lists all the necessary ingredients and the quantities. You can then pick which ones to add to your shopping list. Once AnyList gets to know you, it provides grocery suggestions. Choose to favorite certain essential grocery items so you never forget about them during your next supermarket run. If you have another family member who's headed to the store, share this list with them so they can pick up the ingredients. You can see any changes other users make to the list, making it much easier to collaborate on separate shopping trips. The only downside to AnyList is that you have to pay in order to access certain features such as ingredient scaling, themes, folders, and meal planning. The only time you should feel stressed out when cooking is when your skillet catches fire. If your cluttered cookbook frustrates you, it's time to get rid of it. Every good cook knows that disorganization is a recipe for disaster. YouTube is awash with cooking channels, but we've handpicked some unique cooking YouTube channels to spice up your life. Can give you some delicious ideas. And if you want to switch to a vegan diet, these vegan apps and sites. Are you new to veganism? Or have you been a vegan for years? These free tools help you find the right eco-friendly diet. Will make the transition easier for you. Love coffee? Check out these apps and sites for coffee lovers. For every question that a coffee lover has, there's an app or website to answer it. So go and check out these apps and blogs. Ran out of ideas for baking a delicious dish? Here are some of the best web resources you can use to get some inspiration. Text source, makeuseof.com.